Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the BONK update, and BONK is failing to maintain this retest right over there. So you had a small retest which looked a little bit successful and eventually disappointed and then start to go down. So eventually now if you're going to come down to 1857, I think that's when you're going to drop to even 1411, something like that. But I want to see what the fibs are actually suggesting as your next support level. Actually, number one is going to be that you could be able to make it to 0.618. Now if you start to lose the 0.618, that's actually going to be bad, because the next big level of support, as you know, for BONK previously as well, was down near to 900 level. So this is another big support moving forward. So is there a chance that we may see BONK coming all the way down to 998? I'm not pretty sure, but if you start to lose 1890 and if you start to close below 1890, there could be chances where you may see BONK moving down there. And that's pretty much it for this very quick update. Just wanted to give a shout out on that lower support, and that's all. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.